Hey guys, NV here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your first face piercing, or nose piercing, I should say. I already have the photos loaded, so there's no need to open anything. So I'm going to go straight into Photoshop by clicking this PS icon. And right here, I have two photographs up. And if you do not have a photograph to follow along, then you're more than welcome to download these photos from the photographers, which are in the link below this video. There's two different piercings, as you can tell. There's one and two, okay? And I'm going to show you how to remove them both. It's the holidays, and maybe you have a photograph that you want to send to a family member. They're not quite okay with piercings. Who's to say one wouldn't just take the piercing out and cover up the hole with some makeup or whatever the case may be? But what if that's the favorite photograph? You just have to send it. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So this one first, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in here, and we're going to duplicate the layer, the original photo. We're never going to overwrite or modify or alter the original photo. That's a very bad practice from the beginning. So we're going to duplicate it by holding Control and tapping the J key on our keyboard. And we're going to name this Edit It. We're going to go ahead and tap the J key on our keyboard. This will give us our patch tool right here in our tools panel. And up here, we're going to keep everything default like they are. We're going to leave the options like they are. I'm going to zoom in here to this piercing here just a little bit. And we're just going to go basically click and trace out this piercing, just the piercing. That's a little bit too far out, but I'm doing this just to be on the safe side. I'm going to click and drag over somewhere to kind of find a good area. You can kind of see the preview there to the right of it updating. I'm going to release, and I'm going to zoom out here. That's not too bad, but I can notice it personally if it were me studying this photograph. So I'm going to undo that, and I'm going to re-select this piercing again, just a little bit closer this time, not as far out. You just want the piercing in the shadow, and it's the dark areas. I'm going to click and drag this way this time. Sometimes you have to play around with it, okay? And I'm going to try to let my perfectionist side stay out of this. It's not easy, but I'm going to try my hardest. That looks good. I'm going to go ahead and call that good, I believe. Yeah, I'm going to call that good. So that's the first technique with the patch tool, and it did a great job. So if you've seen this photograph like this, you would never known there was a piercing there, okay? So that's that one. And what I want to do is go to this next one. I'm going to zoom in here a little bit. And again, same technique, duplicating this layer, Control J, or just clicking and dragging it down to the new layer icon down here. And I'm going to call this one Edit It as well. We're going to try the patch tool. Again, I just want to show you the differences. So I'm going to select this area and the shadow from the piercing right there. See that? So we're going to select both of those. Just on the inside, just a little bit. We're going to get as close as we can. We're going to cut through it and go back around it. Try to stay close. I'm not going to try to be perfect. I'm just demonstrating this. Clicking and dragging over. And that did a pretty fantastic job. It doesn't always go that smoothly. I'm going to select this little area here as well. Drag it over there. Hide that layer, the edited layer, by selecting the eye. I'm just trying to get a good feel of it. Not too bad. We're going to try it here. This will be a problem, I have a feeling, but we're going to try. And just right underneath, best we can get. Try to do the best we can here. And click and drag. That's going to create well, actually, it's not too bad. It doesn't always go this well, like I said. We're just getting very lucky on this one. Yeah, it's actually not bad at all. I'm going to select this little area again. My perfectionist is trying to come out, but I'm going to leave it alone. Just call that good. Now that was with the patch tool. We do have up here with the patch tool, we do have the spot healing brush and the healing brush. I can go into those, but I would rather not because this did a fantastic job just with the patch tool. And I'm quite pleased. And that's a quick and easy way to do this. And like I said, you would have never known either one of these had piercings. So what we're going to do now is save these. I am going to change the names to these. I'm going to go to save, save as, and save on your computer project folder here. And I'm going to name it Remove My First Piercing 1. I'm just going to go ahead and copy that name right here and save it. Click OK. And we're going to save it as an image as well. I'm going to save it as a JPEG, like so. Click OK. And I'm going to do this one as well, same way. Copy and paste, or just paste. And I'm calling this one Remove My First Piercing 2. Okay. And again, save as an image, JPEG, just like so. And I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up. And until next time, I will see you in another video.